Hello guys, everyone, friends, subscribers. Hello, welcome to my channel, Carolina Girl Reese, Teresa here. Newbies, I welcome you. If you've landed on my channel, you're in for a treat. Just ask my subscribers. But anyway, honestly, if you're new, I do welcome you. Appreciate you viewing this. And how is everybody today? I'm hoping everybody's okay. Get my hellos out of the way. I hope everybody's having a good day wherever you are and the world's treating you right. A lot of places it ain't going too good, but I hope in your little world it is. Okay. So today I'm just putting together a simple, and if Teresa can do a simple one, man, I should get a prize. But just a simple little decor thing I wanted to do. And this is just something I'm making up as I go. And I'm telling you, I hope it turns out. If it don't, you get your chuckle for today. But I just simply was in the Dollar Tree, and I was looking around, and I seen some things, and I was thinking, wow, I wish I could make something really stand out, because some of them other wreath makers do. I tell you, some of them's awesome. But I am who I am, so today I just want to be sharing with you how I'm going to be making just a table decor piece. Simple, even your child can do it. If you have a child, grandkid, they can help you do this. So I'm just going to be making a little, and my items come from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. Good old Dollar Tree. Thank God for it. And it's really not an expensive store, guys, because it can add up. So anyway, enough of that, okay? I know you get tired of hearing me sometimes, and I apologize. But so anyway, today I'm going to be working with this here. Look at this little, y'all probably seen it if you've been in the Dollar Tree. Believe in the magic of Christmas. It's just a little plastic tub. And they had different kinds, but I chose this. I like the traditional red. But so anyway, I'm going to be just making a little decor. We're just going to make this and fill it in with some stuff. How's that? And I wonder if I can even do that, okay? I love you guys. So here I have just gotten this little Believe in the Magic of Christmas. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to show you here. Look at my jar of goodies I found at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I just pulled all I could find. Going to be working with all these. And my foam, the floral foam. And you see how I've got it pieced together here. I'll show you that in a second. And I'm also going to let this be my center, my little LED pillar candle. They had different colors in these. And she really is pretty. I mean, just a touch of that glowing makes it nice. So that's really all we need, guys. And my creative mind. Okay, everyone. So what I've done here, I just got my floral foam. And this is one large block here. I didn't open it. I kind of put it together and put it into fit. Then I found I needed some more. So I took another block and here's what I've done there. Okay, just stick them in there. Then I had some pieces. And if you have some, that's great. Extra pieces and all. I don't know where I got these pieces here, but I've had these I found. And I'm just going to simply, where the sides here, it's got the open places. I took one and cut it in half. And I'm just going to put it in there in case I need to add a little more something to it. However you want to fit it. And now none of this has been practiced, so like I say, guys, I don't know. I hope I have something here that, see that one there, probably have to be cut down a little more to fit, or let's put it in there. Make it go a little bit. And it don't have to be like perfect, because we're going to fill it up. Take my other one here and just cut it. I hate to hear this stuff. Ugh. It's just like a chalkboard. When you do your fingernails and all, why does that make us cringe when we hear it? Okay. So I'm just filling in the open slots. Now, if you're fortunate or lucky to find you a piece that you could just find somewhere, and I'm sure you can, the bigger pieces, yeah. Cut it out and make you a big one. Maybe take 2 for the height. But I'm having to use what I got here. I'm thinking this one here, since it's a little tight. But you cut it to make it fit however you want. This is going to go on my little bar if it turns out right. Okay. So she's all filled up and ready to go. Okay. So, like I say, most of my stuff's from the Dollar Tree. So there she is. Okay. Now the candle here, she's an LED pillar candle. And she's got the little switch on the bottom. I'll turn her on last for y'all. She is pretty. But they had red and, let's see, I think green and gold in this. I mean, for $1.25, guys, hey. Okay. So the idea is to put her here in my middle and build around her. Now, I'm not going to glue her down or anything like this and that, because the reason why, when I get everything filled around her, it's going to secure her in, okay? And that way you can just take her out, turn her off and on. So, I'm just going to place her right there for a while we're getting her stuff ready, okay? I wish y'all could help me, give me some ideas, but I think I'm going to build on the outside end. I found these two sweet little things, whatever they are. And if they're a little long, you just cut them how you want them. Okay, just like that. So I can get you some. Okay, then we'll work with them later how we want them. And then I'm going to build around with my berries and my flowers. So, and yeah, I'm no florist, so I'm going to have to see how this turns out. Oh. So I just wanted to do something, guys, and I'm cutting mine off the flower stem to do something to keep in touch with you guys. And, you know, if you like me, y'all, wreath builders and all, ain't it enjoyable? It is. Sometimes it makes me just, it's stress. It does help release stress. I believe that. And then, I don't know, just kind of makes, well, you know what I mean. If you make wreaths, and it is fun just to see what you can do. So I'm going to cut all these off, which I should have done. I'm sorry. Now I'm leaving the greenery on. So it's totally up to you what you want to do. I do appreciate every one of you all watching my channel. I do so much. There was quite a few on that stem. Actually, I think, no, I had two there. My bad, I had two stems there. I'm thinking, wow, I got a lot of flowers for that. Berries for that price. Okay. So I'm just going to build my berries, okay, and work them in. Go around, work them in how I want them. Guys, I might just cut you off in a minute, let you have a break from me. Because, you know, I get nervous when I do this, and I'm thinking, oh my God, I'm going to mess up here, and these people ain't going to want to come back and see any of my videos. So, anyhow. So, the idea is we're just going to build around. And you put where you want. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mrs. Lee, my math teacher. You might as well forget it, girl. I'm just going to have to count sometimes to make sure. Okay, so, and I might put a few more. So far I'm getting this. Okay, she's going to really be pretty when she's done. So I'm just going to show you right quick. Please let me show you. That's a start, okay? Because I ain't no professional. And it would embarrass me if I made something miss. I mean, so anyhow. So I'm going to go ahead and work off camera, show you what I'm using. I'm going to be doing some gold. I'm going to fill in with some little pine cone picks here. Dollar Tree, ain't that awesome? And I love the little pine cones on them. And then these here, I had these. These were actually gifted to me. Ain't that beautiful? Like a Christmas branch. 2 of those. And maybe a few white, okay, and some greenery. So guys, I'm going to do it. You get the idea. You fill her in. And when she gets done, I want you to maybe see how she looks, okay? So thank you for joining me today. And as I always say, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here she is. I'm in the dark a little bit because I want you to see how this candle, she really, for $1.25, man, she's gorgeous. She goes to flashing. She's steadfast. I got all my pics and decor in. And I just kept filling in and filling in. That's why I done it off camera, because, you know, to take all the time and show you, y'all would have gotten bored with that, but because I don't know how to run up my work still. But you just add and fill in. And if your candle's not high enough in the center, I took another little piece of my foam here, whatever you have, make you a size of the candle on the bottom, and just put her on top of that. She's enveloped now in my decor, but she's not, you know, in other words, she's not going anywhere. And this way, easy access to cut off and on. But there she is. Teresa's little, simple, put together table decor. Believe in the magic of Christmas. With items from the Dollar Tree, every one of them. And I tell you, something else I didn't tell you. Okay, I'm just going to cut her down here. Let me cut the light on right quick, so you can see her. Okay, so there she is. But what I did too, guys, when I put everything in and got how I wanted it arranged, I simply had some, I'm sorry, this is the floral moss. I had some, and it came from Dollar Tree. They've got it there. Everything's at Dollar Tree. And the places I could see my greenery foam, I just sprinkled down in there. So she's gorgeous. She's going on my top, maybe top of my mantle. I have a mantle. I have a fireplace, a mantle. I may put her there. But just a simple little thing that I put together for you guys. Okay? So there you go. Come on now. I hope you liked her. I just wanted to do something else for you. I'm just trying to do for my countdown. But I'm happy with her. I am. And so that's something that you can do. The little buckets, they have them. Go get you one. You saw how she done in the dark? Okay. So everybody, thank you for joining me again. Any newbies that you like this, please give me a thumbs up, share, maybe even subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And just quickly, I do have a monthly giveaway at the end of every month to show my subscribers how much I do appreciate them. And to all my friends and my family on here, that's what you are to me, guys. Thank you for all your prayers, support. So glad you come across me. And to think YouTube can bring people together. Today we need that. So thank you, guys. Hope you like this. And until next time, I love you. Bye-bye. So guys, here's a little bonus. I just wanted to add her here on my island in my kitchen. For now, to show you how pretty she's going to look setting. Okay. Alrighty, so gotta go make you one, okay? Alrighty, love you guys. Bye-bye.